So we've just arrived in Valetta, this fantastic port. It's amazing, look like a fortified city. So Valetta is the capital of Malta, and it is the home flag of Next Wave, and the Maltese flag. We'll be here for a couple of days, and then we're sailing around to another island, part of Malta, called Corso, I think it is. And so we're going to be just exploring Valetta, getting a bit of the Maltese history. Apparently there's Arab history mixed up in here, as well as Italian, and of course the British were here during the war. I'm going to check out the military history. So thank you very much for joining us.